Hello, welcome to today's short video. I am currently working on a longer video. These videos are taking a while to make and I am still getting used to this. Thank you and please subscribe if you haven't already. 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching the video. I am still experimenting on what works for me. Please comment what you would like to see and any feedback is appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.